Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you students? I hope you are all fine. Today we are again here for your SST class. This is your third lesson of SST class and we will do the geography part in your SST class. Your book name is Geography Part 7. Now we will open the book. We will open the book from the content page. Here is the contents. First lesson, physical state of Earth. I hope you have remembered that we have done the reading of the previous one pages. Now we will start from the reading, page number 8. Distribution of earthquakes in the world. Most of the earthquake occurs around the area of Pacific Ocean. There are small and big cracks in earth crust in this area. How many oceans are there? I hope you have known that we have 5 oceans in the world, and in the Pacific Ocean mostly earthquakes are occurred. These cracks look like a circle or ring. The region includes the area of Alaska, Aleutians, Japan, Mariana, Philippines, and New Guinea, etc. In this region, which you can say countries are included, these are Alaska's, Aleutians, Japan, Mariana, Philippines, and New Guinea. The other big center of earthquake in the world is Trans-Eurasian Crack. This crack passes through Himalaya and Indonesian islands and reaches Persian Gulf and Turkey. The northern and coastal and the northern and the central western part of Pakistan also come in the center of the earthquake. Information is about the tsunami. Tsunami is the word of Japanese language. What is tsunami? I hope you have seen. Tsunami is the air when it blows in the form of circle like this, and these circles are very huge and very powerful, and they destroy all the things that comes in their way. It means huge coastal waves of the ocean. The coastal wave of ocean are the cause of destruction in the coastal area. Along with the continents, the crack of the earth are also present in the oceanic bed. Due to the motion of these cracks, earthquakes occur in the oceans. When the center of earthquakes are in the ocean floor or near coastal areas, tsunami and big coastal waves occur. Earthquake waves produced big ocean waves in the form of huge circles. These waves strike with near and far coastal areas and destroy them. Coastal parts create obstruction in front of these waves, so the waves turn into huge oceanic wave. Due to tsunami of December 2004, Indonesia, there was a great loss of lives and materials. Move to the next page. द ग्रेट अर्थक्वेक ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इन एंड पाकिस्तान. दुनिया के और पाकिस्तान के बड़े बड़े अर्थक्वेक्स. हेयर आर द सीरियल नंबर्स इन दिस वन. These are the years, these are the places, intensity on the Richter scales, and the wastage of lives. First year it was 1920 and the city name was Guangzhou and it was in China. On the Richter scale it was 8.6 and the wastage of life was 2 lakhs. 1923 it's Kanto in Japan, 7.9 on the Richter scale and 1,43,000 loss of life. 1927 Shanghai, China, 7.9 loss of life 2000s. 1932 again Guangzhou, China, 7.6 it was 70,000. 1935 Quetta, Pakistan, 7.5 30,000. 1948 Turkmenistan, 7.3 1 lakh 10,000. 1976 it's Tingshan, China, 7.5 2 lakhs 55,000. In 1990 Iran, 7.7 40,000. 1999 Turkey, 7.6 17,000. 2003 Iran, 6.6 31,000. 2004 island of northern Sumatra, Indonesia, 9.0 2 lakhs 83,000. 2005 Kashmir and northern areas of Pakistan, 7.6 80,000. 2010 Haiti, Central America, 7.8 1 lakh 50,000. These are the you can say that great earthquake of the world at Pakistan. Instruments and scales used to measure earthquake. How we can measure the earthquake? with the help of this kind of instruments. Now start reading. The instrument used to measure the intensity of earthquake is known as seismograph. What is the name of this instrument? Seismograph. Instrument is called seismograph. The intensity of earthquake is measured by a scale called a Richter scale. Its measurement is from 0 to 9. If the earthquake is more intense, the Richter scale show big value. You can see this one picture. This is called seismograph. The lower fixed surface of seismograph, vertical movement of the earth. This is the lower part. This is the rod or frame, you can say. This is the wire. This is the weight. This is the pen on with the help of weight, and this is the revolving paper drum. And when the earthquake occurs, I think this will be revolved. This will be moved, and the what is the intensity? This weight will tell us. Move to the next page. Volcanism. The eruption of hot semi-solid matter magma from the surface of the earth is known as volcanism. During this process, the underground volcanic magma come out on the surface of earth in the form of lava. I hope you have seen these kind of volcanisms. This is a scene of volcanisms. What happened? This is a chamber of magma. This is the lava. This is the cloud of dust and smoke, and this is the hole creator. ये सारा होल है जो कि इस तरह से जब ये बाहर निकलता है लावा बहना शुरू हो जाता है और इसमें से डस्ट और स्मोक निकलना शुरू हो जाते हैं. ओके. During this process, the underground volcanic magma comes out on the surface of the earth in the form of lava. In this process, different rocky materials and gases are involved. Usually, volcanism occurs along the cracks of earth plates because volcanoes are mostly found in cracks or on the boundaries of the plates of the earth. About 70% volcanoes of the world are found on the bed of oceans. Such volcanoes remains hidden due to their presence in the sea. Okay, we will do the reading till here. Okay, now we will move to the question answers. Here is the question answers. If you remember, we have done the question number 1. Today we will do the question number 2. Describe the types of faults. Move to the answer of this one question. Type of faults. I think here is the types of faults. There are 3 types of faults. First one is normal fault. In normal fault, part of the crust move in opposite direction. As I have told you that the plates are moving in opposite directions. Due to the removal of upper layers, lava comes out through the weak portion of earth and volcanic eruption occurs. Second is transform fault. When pieces of plates move forward and backward, they rub against each other. Such type of fault is called transform fault. In this fault, no part of earth moves up or down. Reverse fault. Reverse fault occurs when plates move toward each other due to the pressure between plates. Earthquake and eruption of volcanoes occur in this way. The plates come close to each other and usually mountains are formed. Okay, now move to the next question. It is the question number 3. Discuss the effect of earthquakes. Earthquake के effects क्या होते हैं? We will discuss them. Here is the answer on the page number 7. Effect of earthquakes. Buildings are destroyed, people are injured, and there is a loss of lives and materials. The sources of irrigation are affected and standing crops are destroyed. The system of electricity, water, and gas is disturbed. Sometimes there is fire due to electricity and gas problems. Next page. Hurdles occurs in the activities of rescue. There are also threats of floods. The facilities of transportation are disturbed after the destruction of bridges and roads. I hope you will do the reading of this one lesson and also write these 2 questions and also learn them properly. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.